I think the problem with our pancreas slides is our islets are very small and interspersed, and the center cells are a lightish pink, and then the pancreas on our slides stained a little bit darker than they normally do. But I look at these light areas, I'm like, oh, those are the pancreatic islets. So over here, oh, these are the pancreatic islets. This person probably photoshopped it. There's an islet cell, or it's at least not an H&E stain. But I always go for a light looking area. So here, probably contrast levels, here's a light looking area. So my plan on the test is to give you something like this, where it's definitely a very clear islet in the middle with the acinar cells outside of it. So this one, it's out of focus. It's not the picture I thought it was. But again, here are the islet cells. I hope this helps. Thank you.